Hey guys, this is Gabe and Chad from Donley, Ford, Mount Vernon. These three legends next to me really need no introduction, but with spring right around the corner, we can't help but show off our inventory and talk about them. To my right here, I do have the 2023 Mach 1 Mustang, boasting 470 horsepower. It does have the track package on this particular model, so you do get the Recaro seats. And of course, you can't be a real sports car without a 6-speed manual.
I have the 2024 Dark Horse Mustang right here. Makes 500 horsepower, has many different modes, a huge LED screen in the center, also has a drift brake, which is super awesome, and is a 6-speed manual. Right here in the center, looking right at you, is probably the coolest of them all, 21 Shelby GT500.
As Chad was talking about, this is the GT500, the King Cobra, I like to call it, 760 horsepower. Of course, it comes with that nice dual clutch automatic, super quick shifting. It's a nice collector piece as well. So if you or somebody you know is looking for a nice sports car to drive around this summer, don't hesitate to stop in and discover the Donley difference.